If your FedEx package haven't arrived for a long time, damaged or lost and you want to file a claim, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to file a claim on FedEx. It's really easy and you can do it in just few steps. For that, watch the video till the end. So now without further ado, let's get started. First, open a search engine. I'm using Google here. You can use any search engine that you like. Search for fedex.com. It will lead you right to the FedEx official page. Here you can see we are on the FedEx homepage. Make sure you have logged in into your account. Now you can see the search icon on the top right of the page here. Tap on that. Then type in file a claim. Then click enter. Here you can see the file a complaint option. Click on that. Now we are directed to this page where you can file the claim. Click on Start a Claim button right here. Wait for a few seconds. After that, you will be directed to this page where claims are managed. Enter your tracking number of the parcel that you want the claim of and also select the type of claim. After following all the steps, you will be able to file your claim. So this is it for the video. I hope this was helpful and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.